welcome back from the break. We're right here in Cherry Gardens. Now, he's known for his songs Worst Behavior and Headbad. St. Vincent soca artist Skinny Fabulous was here in Jamaica recently, and we caught up with him to hear what he's about right now.
The name of the new single is called Going Off. I actually gave them a little piece of it tonight. I was actually surprised because Jamaica is a territory traditionally to always kind of be a little bit behind on the current hits, right? So I was surprised to see, like, when I dropped Going Off, people were singing it word for word. I graduated since 2010. I have not used my degree in any way yet, but you see, when it comes to education, sometimes you don't even see how you're applying your education, but it's being applied in your everyday operations. You know what I mean? Mass communication, it helps you to address certain things differently. I mean, the way how I would assess a radio interview or this interview right now would be a little different because of my mass comm background. You know what I'm saying? So while I may not be using it directly, it has its value to me. Well, right now, I feel this year, I feel a new energy. I think that where there was some skepticism or where it was only a very, I don't want to say just an uptown little bracket of people, I feel like the soca thing is just really widespread now. Everybody have it as party music. It's nice time, good feeling, spread love music, and I get in the energy good from Jamaica. So as they embrace me, I embrace them, and it's good. One love.
What's been the highlight of your career so far?
That's a hard question because it's a progress, right? The highlight is now. The highlight was yesterday. The highlight might be tomorrow. Right now, I'm on a good, consistent road. I've been lucky enough to have hits since 2008. From Headbad to Monster to Charge Up to Behaving the Worst to Going Off. So I don't even want to start to count what's my most or what's the most memorable yet, because I think that's still to come.
Worst behavior. Show me your worst behavior. Stop the bacchanal.
Mothers, the Great Jamaican Party Company has been in existence for more than 30 years. Now it decided to honor some of its outstanding members of 2014. We have the highlights, so check them out.
What you like most about your job?
Serving the customers and giving quality service.
What does this award mean to you?
It means a lot. I really can't explain now, but it means a lot to me, and I'm thankful for it. What would I say to my team members? Keep working hard, and at the end of the day, you know you'll get something good.
company has a mission, and it's a mission to proceed, to excel in life, to expand in Jamaica, yeah. And I'm looking forward on accomplishing that mission with the company by playing my part and help to develop the company.
I feel so great about it. I cannot explain.
How long have you been working now with mothers?
From last year March to this year March, soon 1 year. I'm so happy.
So we consider staff recognition to the highest, because without them, there is no mothers. We are the face of mothers. We, the staff, are the face of mothers. So every year, at the end of each year, what we do in January is that we have a staff recognition party. We do it by territory. So today's Uptown and Downtown party, and we recognize them for the hard work that they've done throughout 2014. No low spoilage, low food costs, profits, all of that stuff. If they come to work on time, we do reward these things. You know, if you're not absent, everything that you could think of. You know, like when you're going to a high school and they give you merit for stuff like that, we do that at Mothers. We're one big family, so we do that here. From the 30-odd years that Mothers has been in existence, they have been doing it because we have to do these things to keep the staff engaged.
Does it boost staff morale?
It does. As you can see here today, and when you see these persons getting their gifts, how they just jump up and they run for their baskets and they run for the certificates because they do feel appreciated.
The Caribbean video, Christmas in London 2014, and the top 10 charts will be coming up right after our final break.